When you're having all the gears into your hand and creating anything without any proper story and not giving that result and getting what you need and what your audience need and still talking about stories, everything, that is not the art of the storytelling. I will give you an example. Let's leap into the 20th century where everyone listened to the radio and visualize the stories that were being told to us. This is the art of storytelling in the visual form. And nowadays in film we used as a storyboard to visualize that part, and with this technique we combine that idea and creating that sequence with this idea. This all storyboarding helps in the part of storytelling. And you're wondering what is storyboard? Let me explain this. It is a visual plan to guide you and your director to shoot that what you are creating. In a simple word, it is the blueprint of your film. Since storyboarding plays a crucial part into our content. And with the help of this, every creator and the filmmaker are using the storyboarding technique to record that scene and creating your own video. And you can see my storyboarding, and I can say it is the worst drawing I ever made, but I can understand what part I needed to fit in which scene, and same goes to the creator in the filmmaking. And if you want to become a storyboard artist, you need to know the abbreviation that the filmmaker is using, but this is a whole different level. But I'm talking about the simple storyboarding. If you want to learn storyboarding, here's the free software you can use, which is used in film, and it is free and you can use it. When you made all your important shots in storyboard, now it's time to how to use it and where you can create a sequence. This all the process will make your storytelling nice and easy. Let's take an example. I'm giving this two clip and you have to identify which is better in this storytelling. I got up at the 6 in the morning and sometime not, and I got ready and started working on the planned task that I had decided on the previous evening. After completing all my tasks, I went to bed. I got up at the 6 in the morning and sometime not, and I got ready and started working on the planned task that I had decided on the previous evening. After completing all my tasks, I went to bed. So tell me which part you like the most. You can definitely hear the difference in narrative between the two clips. Write down in the comment box which clips you like the most. And you can see with all the techniques I used, the most crucial part of my storytelling is details along with music and the sound design. And if you happen to master this craft and you become the best storyteller in the world. For this you need to practice this craft, and where you practice that, watch my this video to understand more better. Bye bye guys.